Hi guys, my name is Emiliano Ojeda and this is Different Every Day. Today we're going to be going over a DIY blacksmithing forge built out of a jerry can with a concrete foundry cement mix of plaster of Paris and play sand. The forge burner you see in the video now is also a DIY project, however it is not my original design. It actually is someone else's, and I'll put the link in the description below if you care to try it out. Now if you guys like the content I'm creating, please give me a like, follow, and subscribe to see more. Alright, now let's get into it. It. I took out the cardboard insert and I drilled a 1.5 inch hole that goes right through for the burner. Actually turned out not that bad. It looks kind of like crap on the inside, but there's still some cardboard remnants inside, but I should be able to burn that out. The Forster burner that I made, it's PVC couplings. Good note, make sure to get all the galvanized compound if you use galvanized steel, because if you heat that up, it what I've heard is it makes some like toxic fumes and it could permanently mess you up. You can get off the galvanized just by soaking them in distilled vinegar for over a period of 24 hours. It gets all the galvanized off and it should be good. I got it to sit in here with a little PVC nipple, so it's attached like this and it'll burn through, but the nipple is too long, so I have to cut that off right now, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to actually get it going and get it started, so that'll be fun. Alright, so it goes right there. That's the ignition source. Should. Voila. And it sits flush in there and you can't see it. Perfect. Woo! Alright, so I put an old knife template I found all laying out here on the floor, all rusting, and I just wanted to show you what it looked like, how fast it'd heat the steel up. And it's glowing. It's almost ready for a quench, which is when you get the steel hard enough for a knife edge. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so it works. I just need to get a higher PSI rating just to get more propane coming out here faster. It makes it hotter faster. This took about 15 or so minutes to get that hot, and that'll take forever to get a good thick piece of steel hot and malleable to swing on. So yeah, that's the only thing that's wrong with it right now. I'm going to cool this thing down in a bucket of water I have right here. I'm going to turn this guy off and I'm going to call it a day. So yeah.